Alright, quick review. Welcome back to the channel. This is a product review of a hood protector from AVS, part number 322195 for 2022 Nissan Frontiers. Easy install, looks really good on the truck. Fit and finish is absolutely fabulous. I mainly bought it just for the look, but it does offer some protection. If you look at the angle of where it hits. They also offer ones that are just a little bit bigger. It has a little bit bigger lip, which will offer better protection, but for me, it's more of aesthetics than anything else. Give you a nice close-up look of it. Super easy install. I'll go into it on a later part of this video. If you don't want to watch the whole thing, you could just check it out. Get up close. Super nice. Yep.